Okay, so I decided to have a BLT for lunch here today, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I like Miracle Whip on my BLT. That's what I grew up with, that's what I'm used to, that's what I like. But we're out of Miracle Whip, so I have to use mayonnaise. Now everybody's got their own version of mayonnaise nowadays, so we decided to pick some up, see who's got the best ones, which one tastes the best. Is there a difference? So let's go see what we do, find out. Okay, now we're just going to test the major four ones here. For us in the South, Duke's is a big one down here. It's very popular down here. Of course, we have Kraft, the big one, and then Heinz has come out with their own version now. Thought we'd give it a try. And we use Hellman's in our house a lot. That's why the jar's all mangled, because it comes out in and out of the fridge so much. I'm joined here with my sidekick, my better half, Noreen. And the first thing we're gonna do is make some observations of the difference between the four. We noticed right away how the Kraft is really white, whereas the other three are more yellow. And then the other thing we noticed is that the Heinz is really creamy.
Just feels on the spoon when you stir it, it feels really creamy and it feels thick, whereas the Kraft, it doesn't really feel thick at all. It's billowy, it's almost airy and not as thick as the other three, but the Heinz is the thickest, and to me the second thickest is the Duke's.
Hellman's is only real mayonnaise. It says it right on the bottom.
It says it's real. I mean, this says it's real. Right here.
Okay.
And this says it's real.
Oh yeah, they all do.
And this says it's... They all say they're real mayonnaise as opposed
Who's the real mayonnaise?
I don't know what that means.
I know, right?
What does real mean? Does it mean it's made with real eggs? Because there are some mayonnaise on the shelf today that are vegan, so they have no eggs in them at all. So they're really just oil and stabilizers and thickeners, what have you. So... yes, they're all real because they're right here in front of me.
True. Okay, so now we're going to go turn our backs now, and we're going to have one of our daughters mix these up for us, see who tastes the best. Okay, so now I'll start giving them a taste here.
Example number one. It's salty, it's creamy, it's
got a little tang to it.
It has a little bit. Specimen number two. Well, it's really tangy.
You know, they taste very similar to those two.
But there's a really acrid vinegar in the back. It's like, it's bitter almost in the back.
I don't know if I got that.
I don't know if I like that one. Okay, number three.
I like that the best so far.
That one's tangy, but it's mild, and I get no back taste at all. This one almost had an acrid, fishy back taste. I don't know why I'm getting that, but okay. And both my girls detest mayonnaise.
Wow, that it dissolves in your mouth. I mean, it almost immediately liquefied.
It has no unctuousness to it at all. It's like. And it again, that has a back taste to me. It finishes the palate with something weird. You said you like this one the best.
Yeah, was that the one?
Let's save this one for last because you said you like that one the best.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh yeah, we knew.
This one is Kraft. So that one goes here.
I think we both like this the least.
Yeah, I agree. This one is the Heinz. This is the one I said had a weird back taste and a very vinegar fishiness to it.
Okay.
This one is Hellman's. Wow, I'm going to be really surprised if Duke's is the one you like the best. And this is the one you said you like the best.
That'll be Duke's.
Which is Duke's.
They're all very similar in flavor. They're just subtle differences.
There are subtle.
And the Kraft is very light and very, like you said, it's very light and airy.
It is.
It pretty much liquefies as soon as it hits your tongue.
It's true. So I guess you'll be making your sandwich with the Duke's today.
Duke's it is.
All right then.
Okay, so Duke's it is. I made me a nice BLT here. I'm going to enjoy it now. And I hope we taught you something here today. Which mayonnaise do you like best? You may be surprised if you get a taste test them all. So I'm going to go enjoy my sandwich now, and hope to see you guys next week.